want to see your children become full of prayer, then you too must pray. If you want to treat other people with kindness, then the children will see that. And they will also treat people with kindness. If you do up your seatbelt, they will also do up their seatbelt. So that leading by example comes through the whole of life, from seatbelts to prayer. And so those are the two pieces of advice I can give you today. Lead by example, communicate. Those are two important things. So with that, I will not say anything more. And the Lord has given you much advice.